This is a Mr. Fox online electronics tutorial for beginners. We have 300 milliliters of water in the glass next to the multimeter. The water is rainwater, not tap water. The multimeter has been set to the continuity mode. This means it will provide a small voltage across the probes. This allows us to apply the probes to materials to see if they are conductive, as conductive material will complete the circuit. Lower the multimeter probes into the water. The current reading, OL, indicates an open line or open circuit. Note the readout on the multimeter remains OL. This demonstrates that the water does not complete the circuit. The next step is to add our table salt. Table salt, or sodium chloride, dissolves in water. As little as 1 milliliter is enough to do the job. Water molecules are very stable. When table salt, sodium chloride is placed in water, the salt, a solid, dissolves into its component ions. The sodium ions are positive, and the chloride ions are negative. Stir the water to dissolve the salt. Lower the multimeter probes into the solution again. Note the reading on the multimeter. The salt solution is an electrolyte and completes the circuit. This tutorial, plus many others, can be found on www.stylus.co.za. Please be sure to like, comment, ask questions, make requests, subscribe to, and share this channel.